Namaste all. Welcome to ServiceNow India. Here we are to learn what is SN Utils and what are the uses, how we can use it in our ServiceNow platform. Majorly, ServiceNow provides the shortcuts in already the out of the box. But if you want to boost your productivity in ServiceNow usage or the navigation, majorly we depend on the ServiceNow Utils, which is a web Chrome extension. We can use it for both Firefox along with the Google Chrome. Today we'll see how to add the extension of the SN Utils for ServiceNow in our instance. Just click on the new tab and go for Web Store, or maybe called as Chrome Web Store. And in the Chrome Web Store, just search for SN Utils. Just click on this extension and click on Add to Chrome and click on Add Extension, and then it automatically adds this extension to your Chrome browser. Okay, you can see like right now, if you click on this part, like it will show the SN Utils tools for ServiceNow. You can pin it for the further usage. Okay, it automatically pins here in your browser. Let's see, go to the filter navigator, and if you want to open the list view of any table or anything, we generally use, like if I want to open the users list, go for user administration. In that we have users application module. Under the user administration application menu, click on the users module. It will display the list of users present in the instance. Let's see what is the first main usage of SN Util. If you want to open any table content data, I'm clicking on this the logo to navigate back to the home page. Just type /, and in that just type the table name called sys_user is a table name, and just click on enter. Then it is a shortcut which used to display the list view of users in the ServiceNow instance. Okay, I'll show you with other table. As we know that the user table backend name is sys_user. If you want to display the incident data or incident list view, just click on the / and just type incident as it is the table name of the incident table, and it will display the list view of the incidents in our instance. Okay, and it is the first and foremost way to open the list view of the tables. If I open the incident record, which is already existing in the ServiceNow instance, right now we have the major columns here. If I want to know the backend value of this column, like the label is number here, the name will be different. If I want to get back regarding these details of this column, you need to right click on the column and you need to click on the show format here. After clicking on show, it will display like what is the type of the column and what is the field name and what is the maximum length of the field and other attributes of this field. After installing or after adding the Chrome extension called SN Utils, you don't have to do this all the things. Just double click on it. It will show the field type, the field name along the value. It's the value of the field called INC0000601. Okay, and it is the first thing, like double click on any column, it will show what is the type of the column and other details of the column, like the field type is string here and field subcategory, and options are none, CPU. These are the front end names and these are the back end names, and the value is right now showing as empty here. And the second foremost is double click on anywhere in the screen, like anywhere in the empty space, it automatically displays the backend names of each and every column. Like the caller is caller ID, and subcategory is subcategory, and the channel is contact type. You can see that channel is a front end name like the label, and the contact type is the backend name, which was different from the label format. And you can see like assignment group, assignment_group, and assigned to as assigned_to. You can achieve this part in two ways. Right click on anywhere of the browser, go for SN Utils tools for ServiceNow, go for tools and click on show technical names, and it will display the backend names of each and every column. Okay, and we have the other shortcut to display the same thing. Go for click on forward slash and just type as TN. Okay, and then click on enter, then it will display the same thing. Okay, it's the first format. And we'll go for the second format. Like if you want to display the list view of ACLs, we have the shortcut by using the SN Utils. Click on the forward slash button and type ACL, and it will display the list view of ACLs present in our instance. And second, just click on forward slash then, and if you want to display the script includes, just type SI and click on enter. It will display the list view of script includes present in our instance. And then if you want to display the client scripts in ServiceNow, just go for forward slash, just type CS and click on enter. It will display the list view of client scripts. As it know that it decreases the number of clicks. For example, if you want to navigate for client scripts, you need to go for filter navigator and just type the client scripts, and in that system definition we need to click on client scripts, then it displays the list view of the client scripts. Then in a go, just click on forward slash and just type CS, and there you go, you have the client scripts in the list view. And after that, for example, if I open the list view of the user's account, like by using sys underscore user dot list, or make it as capital LIST for in the uppercase, it will display the list view of users in the next tab. But we don't have any column header here. Like this is called the header to a page, the all favorites history in this tab or in this page. If you want to add them, just click on forward slash and just type as POP. Just click on enter. Then the header page will be added to this form or to the list view. And the next will be, if you want to navigate with the service portal, just type or just click on forward slash and just type SP and click on enter. It will navigate to you to the service portal in ServiceNow. Okay, and if you want to navigate for the widgets present in the ServiceNow portal, the shortcut will be like forward slash SPW, which goes towards these are the widgets available in service portal of ServiceNow. If you want to go for playbook, just click on playbook. It will display the widget of the playbook in service portal. Okay, then if you want to navigate to the ServiceNow community, as we know that to navigate to the ServiceNow community, we'll just go for the new page, like a new tab, and where we type like ServiceNow community, and where we have to click on this first hyperlink, and it will navigate to you the ServiceNow community. But we have the SN Utils, which makes easier formats to navigate for the service community, like ServiceNow community. Forward slash, just type as COMM. It will go or it will navigate to you the ServiceNow community page directly. And then if you want to go through your profile, like the system administrator profile instantly, just click on the forward slash and just type me, ME, and enter. It will open the user profile of the system administrator, nothing but the owner of this instance. Okay, and then if you want to compare some two incidents, let's see, let me open the two incidents here. Filter navigator, or I can use the SN Utils shortcut forward slash incident. These are the list view of the incidents. If I open two incidents here, the first one will be the 9004 and 9002. you can see like these are the incident, like 9004 one incident and 9002 another incident. If you want to compare these two incidents, we can do by using SN Utils shortcut. Let me show you how it will be. First I'll go with 9002 forward slash, make it as diff1, like a difference 1, and go for 9004 and click on forward slash and make it as diff2, like difference 2. And you can see like two incidents data is compared here, like the difference between two incidents, like what is the calendar duration and what is the caller ID display value, and everything will be displayed here. Okay, we can compare the two incidents here, the two incidents data, by using forward slash diff. For example, we have the two here, like diff1, diff2. Okay, and final thing, like we have covered major important usage of SN Utils here, and in next session we'll discuss regarding what are the other usages of ServiceNow SN Utils tools to make the productivity of our ServiceNow platform, like it will boost the productivity in a much easier way. Thanks for having this session. Jai Hind.